Hi guys, I'm Oluchi. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing two recipes of the Moscow Mule with you. We're going to be starting with our veggie Moscow Mule. So in my copper mug, which is a necessity for this recipe, I'm going to be going in with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice and half an ounce of simple syrup, 1:1 simple syrup. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 scoops of ice, and then I'm going to go in with about 3 ounces of ginger beer. Any brand of ginger beer is fine. I'll give it a gentle stir, and then I'll top up with some tonic water. Please feel free to use soda water. You should actually use soda water, but you know my love for tonic water, the flavor it gives. So I always love to incorporate it whenever I'm making mocktails, but please feel free to use soda water. Next, you're just going to go ahead and garnish with your mint sprigs and a lime wedge. Simple, nice, easy. This recipe is one of the easiest mocktail or cocktail recipes ever. Now let me show you how to make the classic version, which is a cocktail. In your copper mug, you're going to go in with 2 ounces of good quality vodka. Feel free to use any brand. And next, I'm going to go in with 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. I'm going to go in with 2 scoops of ice. Weather is really hot, you want your drink really chilled. And then I'll just top up with my ginger beer. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're still watching, like, share and subscribe. I'll give it a little stir, just a gentle stir, nothing mega, and then I'll top up with some more ginger beer. Go ahead and garnish with my lime wedge, and that's it guys. Your Moscow Mule is ready. You can dig in. So you'd agree with me that this is one of the simplest cocktails ever. It is beginner friendly. It tastes really good. You won't really taste the vodka really when you're having the classic version. You're not really going to taste the vodka because the ginger beer just, it cools it down a bit, or rather it tones it down. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.